Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log your Axios HTTP request as curl command using a very useful package called Axios Curlirize, and this is perfect for debugging or sharing your request with your teammates. So let's jump right in. So if you're working with REST APIs in Node.js, this is a tool you will absolutely love. So what is Axios Curlirize? So it is a small library that plugs into Axios and logs your HTTP request as a curl command. It helps when you want to reproduce a request in your terminal or share it with others. So we will just install it. So for that we will just have one blank folder opened in VS Code, and then I'll open the terminal. So new terminal, and here I'll install the npm using npm install the Axios and Axios Curlirize packages. So if you're working with APIs, you already might have this Axios installed. So just to make sure that Axios should be there before we use Axios Curlirize. So we have installed both. So now also create one file called index.js. So the file is created. Now we'll do the basic setup. We will just require both Axios and Axios Curlirize, and also I'll initialize the Curlirize package and pass the Axios instance, and then I'll add a request to JSON placeholder API using Axios. So now it is done. Let's try to make the code run. So I'll run npm, no, not npm, node index.js. As you can see here, we got our curl request printed. So by default it uses the console log. So if you want to have some other logging library, we can do that. But before that, let me also show you how it works for the post request. So I'll just add one post request here. Let me replace it with a post request. So this is the post request. I'll just clear the terminal and will try to run. So as you can see here, this is the curl request, but here we are getting the content type as undefined. So let me just add the default headers for content type. Okay, edit. Now I'll just run it again, and as you can see now curl -x post da 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 da. So that's all we need to do for running the Axios Curlirize, so that the curl request is logged. The next thing I'll show you is let's say if you are using some other logging library. For that I'll just create a simple logging library, not this. So we will log these curl requests into one file. So I'm installing this FS module, the default file handling module, and created one function log to file, and it will create one file Axios curl log, and will log all these messages, all the curl requests here into this file. So here where we are initializing the curl, I'll just customize it so that it uses another logger. So now it is using the second function which returns the result, and it has the command there, and we can log it here. So now when I run it, I have my logs added to this file. So that's all. I hope you will get benefit from this tutorial. Thank you very much.